Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Linden County in northern Connecticut, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pomfret, or 13 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Killingly, Burdleville, Situate, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Foster, Pomfret, Hampton, and Eastford.
If you ever see me broke, I'm probably rocking the cash. Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could